Thanks for being here at 6 o'clock. I'm Aaron Groff. In Watsonville today, doctors, nurses, and therapists all thrilled to be getting their shot, a turning point in the year-long battle against COVID-19. KON's Josh Cristianto was live in Watsonville with what they're hoping to see as these vaccines eventually become available to everyone. Hey, Josh.
Well, hey, Aaron, most of these frontline workers have been in the thick of things since March, and one respiratory therapist tells me he's had to work harder than he's ever had to before, and he's actually getting vaccinated for his family, including for his 89-year-old grandmother. It's a shot seen now around the Central Coast, marking hopefully the beginning of the end of the COVID-19 pandemic. Frontline healthcare workers like emergency room doctors, nurses, and support staff will be getting the new emergency authorized Pfizer vaccine first. Out of the 400 at Watsonville Community Hospital, over a third have already signed up to get the shot.
This is important for healthcare workers to be protected so we can continue to take care of our patients.
This is the first vaccine batch the hospital has received so far. There were about 40 vaccinations on Wednesday in total of frontline high-risk healthcare workers, including respiratory therapist Travis Stevens, who's been worried about his family since the start.
There's this anxiety and nightmares I've had about, getting them sick. So I'm, happy in a way that I can protect myself a little bit by the vaccine.
The hospital will do vaccinations of staff every day for the rest of the week into next. Part of it is also to send a clear message to the community the vaccine is safe.
It would be kind of hypocrisy not to be involved with it, and I'm excited to be able to show that their healthcare workers are out there getting it as soon as we can.
Employees aren't required to take the vaccine, but those who do will get a second vaccine dose in 21 days, as is required for it to be effective. There are a total of 656 employees at Watsonville Community, and officials here expect more people, and eventually the general public will sign up to get vaccinated when there are more batches available.
I mean, life right now for most people, even my children, have been through Zoom. They've been through, through the internet. They haven't seen any of their friends. I hope that changes.
And while the vaccine does provide a sign of hope, doctors say it's not going to stop the surge this winter, as is expected to happen over the holidays. It'll still be up to us to make sure that we're responsible during that time to make sure that these numbers stay down. Reporting live in Watsonville, Josh Cristianto, KIO News Channel 546.